India Steel 2025. The 6th edition of India Steel 2025 International Exhibition and Conference was successfully organized from 24th to 26th April 2025 at the Bombay Exhibition Centre, Mumbai. India Steel 2025 was jointly organized by the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry (FICCI) and co-organized by the Ministry of Steel, Government of India. India Steel 2025 served as a premier national and international platform for deliberations on the future growth, competitiveness and sustainability of the Indian steel sector. India Steel 2025 was inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, who articulated the government's long-term vision for the steel sector.
आज भारत $5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी के संकल्प को सिद्ध करने में जुटा है। इस लक्ष्य को साधने में स्टील सेक्टर की भी भूमिका कम नहीं है। हमें गर्व है कि आज भारत दुनिया का दूसरा सबसे बड़ा स्टील उत्पादक बन चुका है।
The 6th edition of India Steel 2025 witnessed the esteemed presence of several senior dignitaries and ministers, reflecting India Steel 2025's strong national and international significance. The exhibition and conference were attended by Shri Piyush Goyal, Honorable Union Minister for Commerce and Industry, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Union Minister for Education, Shri Bhupati Raju Srinivasa Verma, Honorable Minister of State for Steel, Shri Mohan Charan Majhi, Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Lakhan Lal Devangan, Honorable Minister of Commerce and Industry, Government of Chhattisgarh, Shri Tumbalam Guti Bharat, Honorable Minister of Industries and Commerce, Government of Andhra Pradesh, and Shri M.B. Patil, Honorable Minister for Large and Medium Industries and Infrastructure Development, Government of Karnataka.
The Indian steel industry makes India proud, having taken India across continents, across the world.
Their participation underscored the strong policy support and commitment of both the central and state governments towards the growth and global positioning of India's steel sector. India Steel 2025 was held at a time when India retained its position as the world's second largest crude steel producer in 2024. Registering strong growth despite a global decline in steel production, domestic crude steel output witnessed a significant increase, supported by robust demand from infrastructure, construction, manufacturing, automotive, defense and renewable energy sectors. This growth was further enabled by sustained policy support through initiatives such as the National Steel Policy 2017, PLI scheme for specialty steel, PM Gati Shakti and Atmanirbhar Bharat. India Steel 2025 witnessed participation from over 18,500 plus business visitors, 200 plus exhibitors and 1,200 plus conference delegates, including senior government officials, industry leaders, global steel producers, technology providers, buyers, research institutions, startups and academia.
I think there's a great future for the steel industry, a great future for steel as a product. And I think here in India, because India is beginning to take over the mantle of the leadership role that China played for so long. In India, the industry and the material, I think, is facing a very, very positive future ahead.
More than 120 international buyers and delegates from 33 countries participated, reinforcing India Steel's stature as a truly global platform for the steel industry.
It was amazing show. I am expecting making large deals with Indian companies.
The 3-day international conference, held under the theme Shaping the Future of Steel, Driving Capacity Augmentation, Sustainability, digitalization and downstream applications, featured in-depth discussions on capacity expansion, specialty and secondary steel, logistics and infrastructure development, raw material security, exports and digital transformation.
It's a great honor to participate in the India Steel 2025, especially the discussion this morning on decarbonization was very informative, as well as it was a very stimulating session.
Sustainability and decarbonization emerged as central themes, with focused deliberations on green steel production, hydrogen-based steel making, scrap utilization, carbon capture technologies, and energy-efficient manufacturing processes, aligning the Indian steel sector with global climate commitments.
This time, the quality of the conferences were of a different league, and it was really great to hear many of the top ministers at the state level, central level, and the distinguished and the experts from the world from different areas.
India Steel 2025 also facilitated extensive business and institutional engagement through reverse buyer-seller meets, B2B and G2B meetings, CEOs roundtable, and a series of sectoral, country-specific and state-level roundtables. Over 3,250 structured B2B meetings were conducted, generating strong interest in trade, investment and technology collaboration. Several international delegations explored sourcing and partnership opportunities with Indian steel producers, highlighting growing global confidence in India's manufacturing capabilities.
And so I am very happy being at this program. I'm so satisfied with the event, from the organization, the arrangement, everything is well planned out.
Key outcomes of India Steel 2025 included the signing of 3 strategic memoranda of understanding, MOUs, strengthened international cooperation, and the formulation of actionable recommendations on green steel adoption, specialty steel self-reliance, logistics modernization, R&D strengthening, and policy and financing support. India Steel 2025 was further strengthened by the value support of its sponsors and partners, whose collaboration played a crucial role in the successful execution of the exhibition and conference. Their continued engagement reflects strong industry confidence in India Steel as a flagship platform for the steel sector. Overall, India Steel 2025 reaffirmed the Government of India's commitment to building a globally competitive, sustainable and future-ready steel sector, while deepening stakeholder collaboration and positioning India as a leading hub for steel production, innovation and responsible growth.